Hello students, welcome to the online session in chemistry. In previous class we have discussed Poisson's concept of electrovalent bond, means ionic bond. In today's class we will discuss octet rule. Octet rule. What do you mean by octet rule? What is octet rule? See, for example, if you consider any element, for example, chlorine. Chlorine combines with chlorine atom to form chlorine molecule. Cl2 molecule is formed. How this molecule is formed? If you observe the electronic configuration of this chlorine, atomic number is 17. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Outermost is 3s2, 3p5. Okay, how many electrons are there in the outermost cell? 7 electrons are there. How many electrons are still needed for chlorine atom to complete its octet configuration? Octet means 8 electrons. Octet means what? 8 electrons. How many electrons are needed to complete its octet? 1 electron is needed. Is it right or not? You look at the electron configuration over here. How many electrons are there? 7 electrons are there. So that how to complete this octet configuration? To complete this octet configuration, these two chlorine atoms, see, listen carefully, these two chlorine atoms, they will combine together. How? Cl combined with another Cl. Actually, it contains how many electrons? This is, I will write directly outermost cell electronic configuration 3s2, 3p5. And over here also 3s2, 3p5. How many electrons are there? 7. But when it combine, it becomes 8. See, I will show you. Cl, it contains how many? 2, 4, 6, 7 electrons. Another Cl also, if you take 2, 4, 6, 7. Now, if these two electrons they get shared, if sharing happens, what happens now? You see, over here also 8 electrons are there. Over here also 8 electrons are there. Mean that these two electrons they belong to what? Both the combining atoms. Earlier 7 electrons were there. Now it becomes what? 8 after combination. When they combine, the electron number becomes what? 8. That's why this is also one of the reasons elements they combine together to get this stable electronic configuration. And even see over here actually what happens? Sharing of electrons happens. Means each chlorine atom they share their electrons. If you take the sodium chloride formation, actually sodium chloride formation takes place in this manner. See, what is the outermost electronic configuration? If you write the electronic configuration, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, okay, 3s1. Now, when sodium loses 1 electron, it becomes what? Sodium cation by the loss of 1 electron. Okay, this is in gaseous form. Okay, sodium atom gaseous form. Sodium gaseous cation is formed. But when it becomes sodium cation, it loses which electron? Electron present in 3s. Now what is the outermost? Earlier 3s1 is the outermost. Now when sodium loses this electron, this cell disappears. That's why when this cell disappears, outermost becomes what? 2s2, 2p6. Means by the loss of one electron, sodium becomes what? Sodium cation. In doing so, it attains what? Octet configuration, means 8 electron configuration. The electron which was lost by sodium, now it is gained by what? Chlorine, means chlorine molecule actually, but I will take a gaseous chlorine atom. It gains electron to become what? Cl minus, means chloride ion. Gaseous chloride ion is formed. That you know already. What is the outermost electronic configuration of chlorine? 3s2, 3p5. How many electrons were there? 7 electrons were there. But when it gains 1 electron, the outermost electronic configuration of chloride ion becomes 3s2, 3p6. How many electrons are there? 8. Over here also 8 electrons are there. Over here also 8 electrons are there. Now this sodium cation, it combines with what? Cl minus anion. Sodium cation now combines with Cl minus. This gaseous sodium cation combines with gaseous chloride anion to become what? Sodium chloride molecule is formed. This is ionic compound. But here also there is an attainment of octet configuration, and here also there is an attainment of configuration. But the difference is over here octet configuration is satisfied. Means octet configuration is attained by the sharing of electrons. But over here the octet configuration is attained by the transfer of electron from one atom to the another atom. Okay. Then what is octet rule? See, so listen carefully. What is octet rule? What do you mean by octet rule? Elements combine either by transfer of electrons from one atom to the another atom, or sharing of electrons between electrons combine either by transfer of electrons from one atom to the other atom, or sharing of electrons between combining atoms. Combining atoms. Okay. In doing so, they attain octet or 8 electrons. 8 electrons in their valence cell. In their valence cell is called octet rule. See, what is octet rule? Elements combine either by transfer of electrons from one atom to the other atom, or sharing of electrons between combining atoms. In doing so, they attain what? 8 electrons in their valence cell. That's what I told you. In case of actually chlorine, what happens? Formation of chlorine molecule. How many electrons were there? Over here 6, over here 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are nothing but what? 1 electron from each chlorine atom. Okay. Sharing also satisfies what? Octet. And even in case of, if you take sodium chloride as an example, sodium attained 8 electronic configuration by the loss of electron, and whereas chlorine gained the octet configuration by the gain of electrons. Means Na plus and Cl minus. This is how each elements they attain what? Octet configuration. This was explained by Kosel and Lewis in 1960. Okay, this is a very important octet rule. Next we will move on to next concept. The next concept is covalent bond. In previous class, means in previous video, we have discussed Cosel's concept to the electrovalent bond. See, Cosel explanation is more oriented towards what? Ionic bond, whereas Lewis explanation is more oriented towards covalent concepts. This covalent bond and Lewis dot structures. Covalent bond and Lewis dot structure. Already we have discussed Lewis dot structure definition and everything. Means Lewis dot structure is nothing but electron dot structure. Okay. What is covalent bond? What do you mean by covalent bond? See, what is covalent bond? The bond. What is covalent bond? The bond which is formed by sharing of electrons. Which is formed by sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. Is called what? Covalent bond. See, this formation of covalent bond was explained by the named scientist Lewis through his structures called Lewis dot structure. In that first Lewis dot structure we will discuss today in this class is that the formation of Cl2 molecule. Formation of Cl2 molecule. All of you listen carefully. This is a very simple and very interesting example. If you take chlorine, what is the electronic configuration of chlorine? Atomic number is 17. The electronic configuration of chlorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. I think you know how to write the Lewis dot structure for the elements that I discussed in previous class. Just you go through that online class, that video class. Just you observe that video class so that you will come to know how to write the Lewis dot structure. See, Cl over here, Cl, in case of Cl, how many valence electrons are there? 7 valence electrons are there. You need to represent those valence electrons in the form of dots around the symbol of that element. See, this is the Lewis dot structure of what? Chlorine atom. Now, if you observe this chlorine atom combined with another chlorine atom, how? By see, two chlorine atoms I wrote with their electrons, valence electrons in the form of dots. How many valence electrons are there? 7 electrons, 7 electrons. Okay. When these two combine, now these two combine together by the sharing of electrons to get their octet. 6 electrons I wrote first. See, over here also 6 electrons. Okay. Now, see, these 2 electrons are remaining. These 2 electrons, you observe, they form 8 electrons are over. 8 electrons are over for this. See, this is how we can write what? Lewis dot structure for the molecules. For what? Molecules. Okay. And even you can write down Lewis dot structure for water molecule also. You can follow the same thing and you will come to know how to write the Lewis dot structure. This I will explain in next class.